Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Daily. My name is Wilbert.
And I'm Donna. Hello, everyone. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for listening and learning English with us.
Today, we have a very nice topic.
Yes, today we are going to talk about going to the library.
The library.
Do you like libraries, Donna?
Oh, yes, I do. Libraries are quiet, calm, and very relaxing.
I agree. I love the smell of books. Old books, new books. Very nice.
Yes, some people love coffee smell, some people love perfume, but Wilbert loves book smell.
That's true. Maybe I am part book.
Maybe.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to improve your English every day.
Yes, and don't worry if your English is not perfect.
That's right. Practice every day. Small steps are okay.
Okay, Wilbert, let's go to the library.
Let's go.
So, Wilbert, when was the last time you went to the library?
Maybe last week.
Oh, really? Why did you go there?
I wanted to borrow a book about travel.
Ah, a travel book.
Yes, I want to visit Japan someday.
Wow, me too.
Really?
Yes, I want to eat ramen every day.
Every day?
Okay, maybe not every day.
Good idea. Too much ramen can be dangerous.
Dangerous, but delicious.
Very true.
So today, let's talk about useful English words and sentences for the library.
Great idea.
Maybe some listeners are nervous to speak English in a library.
That's okay. We will practice together.
Yes, slowly and clearly.
Okay, everyone. Repeat after me.
I want to borrow a book.
Slowly.
I want to borrow a book.
Very good.
What does borrow mean, Wilbert?
Good question. Borrow means you take something for a short time and return it later.
Ah, yes.
For example, I borrow a book from the library.
And later,
You return the book.
very important.
Yes, please return library books.
Yes, the librarian will not be happy.
Donna, did you ever forget to return a book?
Um,
Oh no.
okay, yes, one time.
Really?
Yes, I forgot for 2 months.
2 months?
I was very busy.
Did you pay money?
Yes, I paid a late fee.
Oh no.
Very sad day.
Listeners, a late fee is money you pay when you return something late.
Yes, so remember, return books on time.
Good advice.
Okay, Wilbert, let's practice another library visit.
Okay,
Now I want to use a computer in the library.
good idea.
Maybe I need to study.
Maybe you want to watch cat videos. Maybe a little.
Wilbert,
Okay. Maybe one cat video.
only one.
So how can I ask politely?
You can say, "Excuse me, can I use the computer?"
Very nice.
Or you can say, "Where are the computers?"
Excellent.
Repeat after me, everyone.
Can I use the computer?
One more time.
Can I use the computer?
Great job.
Libraries are not only for books now.
That's true.
Libraries maybe have computers, study rooms, and free internet.
Some libraries even have movies.
Yes, and language learning programs too.
Libraries are amazing.
And usually free.
We love free things.
Yes, we do. Okay, Donna, let's practice another conversation.
Okay,
Excuse me, where can I find English learning books?
they are on the second floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Very polite,
Being polite is important.
especially in a quiet library.
Yes, please do not scream in the library.
Hello, Wilbert. Sorry.
The librarian is watching you now.
Oh, no.
Libraries are usually quiet places.
Yes, people study there.
People read there,
People work there.
so we should speak softly.
Exactly.
Repeat after us, everyone.
Please be quiet.
Slowly, please be quiet.
Very good.
Wilbur, do you study better in the library?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because my house is noisy.
Really?
Yes, my neighbor plays loud music.
Oh no.
Boom, 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 every night.
Maybe your neighbor wants to become a rock star.
Maybe.
So the library is peaceful for you?
Very peaceful.
I understand.
Do you study in libraries?
Sometimes I like the quiet atmosphere.
Atmosphere means the feeling of a place.
Yes, good explanation.
Thank you.
I also like seeing other people study.
Why?
It makes me feel motivated.
Ah, yes, me too.
When everyone studies, I want to study too.
That is true.
But sometimes I get sleepy in libraries.
Because it is too quiet?
Yes, quiet room, comfortable chair, warm light.
And then...
Zzz. One time I almost fell asleep on a book.
Really?
Yes, very embarrassing.
Maybe the book was boring.
Hey,
Just kidding.
okay, listeners, let's learn some useful library vocabulary.
Great idea.
Bookshelf,
Library card.
study room,
Librarian.
borrow,
Return.
late fee,
Computer.
quiet.
Excellent.
Now, let's use these words in sentences.
I need a library card.
The bookshelf is very tall.
I want to borrow this book.
Please return the book tomorrow.
The study room is quiet.
Very good, everyone.
You are doing great.
Learning English step by step.
One sentence at a time.
Okay, Wilbert, what if someone doesn't know how to get a library card?
Good question.
Can we practice?
Of course.
Okay, I am the librarian.
And I am me. Excuse me, how can I get a library card?
Please fill out this form.
Okay.
Do you have an ID?
Yes, I do.
Great, here is your library card.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Easy.
Very easy.
Listeners, repeat after me.
How can I get a library card?
Again, how can I get a library card?
Perfect.
Donna, did you go to the library when you were a child?
Yes, my mother took me every weekend.
That sounds nice.
I loved it.
What books did you read?
Fairy tales.
Like princess stories?
Yes,
Did you want to be a princess?
of course. What about you?
I liked dinosaur books.
Dinosaurs.
Yes, I loved dinosaurs.
Can you still name dinosaur types?
T-Rex,
Easy one.
Velociraptor,
Okay.
Chicken Nuggetsaurus.
That is not real. Nice try.
Libraries are wonderful for children,
Yes, children can learn many things.
and reading helps imagination.
Exactly. Okay, Donna, what if someone cannot find a book?
They can ask for help.
Right. For example, excuse me, can you help me find this book?
Very useful sentence.
Repeat after me, everyone. Can you help me find this book?
Again, slowly. Can you help me find this book?
Perfect.
Wilbert, do you prefer physical books or ebooks? Physical books.
Why?
I like holding the book.
Me too.
And I like turning pages.
Yes, it feels nice.
What about ebooks?
They are convenient.
That's true.
You can carry many books on one device.
Very useful for travel.
But sometimes I miss real books.
Same here.
Listeners, what do you prefer?
Physical books?
Or ebooks?
Tell us in the comments.
Okay, Wilbert, let's imagine another situation.
Okay.
You are late returning a book.
Oh no.
You go to the library.
I'm nervous.
Okay, let's practice.
Excuse me, I'm sorry I returned the book late.
That's okay. Please pay the late fee.
How much is it?
$3.
Oh. Goodbye, my money.
Very realistic conversation.
Yes.
Sometimes mistakes happen.
That's okay.
Do not be afraid to speak English.
Even simple English is good English.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone, let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
Library.
Slowly. Library.
One more time. Library. Sometimes learners say library,
Yes.
but the correct pronunciation is library.
Library.
Excellent.
Okay, Wilbert, what do people usually do in libraries?
They read books.
They study.
They use computers.
They do homework.
Some people even attend classes.
Yes, English classes too.
Libraries are great places for learning English.
And they are calm places.
Sometimes too calm. One time, I dropped my water bottle in the library.
Oh no.
Clang, clang, clang.
Everyone looked at you?
Everyone. I wanted to disappear.
Poor Wilbert.
Very embarrassing.
But funny now.
Yes, funny now.
Okay, listeners, here are some more useful sentences.
I am looking for a book.
Where is the study room?
Can I borrow this book?
When should I return it?
Do you have books for beginners?
Excellent.
Repeat these sentences many times.
Practice helps a lot.
Even 5 minutes every day is good.
Yes, small practice is powerful.
Donna, do libraries in your country have cafes?
Some do.
Wow,
People can drink coffee and read.
that sounds perfect.
Books and coffee.
A beautiful combination.
Maybe too beautiful.
Why?
Because I drink coffee and then cannot sleep. Then I read all night.
Sounds like a fun night.
It is.
Okay, everyone, let's do a small listening practice.
Great idea.
We will speak slowly.
Please listen carefully.
Yesterday, I went to the library.
I borrowed 2 English books.
The librarian was very kind.
I studied for 1 hour.
Then I returned home.
Very good.
Did you understand?
We hope so.
And remember, it is okay if you do not understand every word.
Just keep listening.
Your English will improve step by step.
Exactly.
Okay, Donna, do you think libraries will change in the future?
Maybe.
How?
Maybe more digital books. Maybe more technology.
Robots?
Maybe robot librarians.
Hello, human. Please return your book.
Late fee detected.
Danger, danger. But I hope libraries always stay peaceful.
Me too.
Libraries are important places,
Yes, they help people learn.
and learning changes lives.
Beautifully said, Wilbert.
Thank you.
Okay, everyone, let's review today's key phrases.
I want to borrow a book.
Where is the study room?
Can you help me find this book?
How can I get a library card?
Please be quiet.
Excellent work, everyone.
You are improving your English,
Little by little, day by day.
and we are happy to practice with you.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped your listening and speaking skills.
And maybe now you want to visit a library.
I want to visit one right now.
Me too.
Maybe we can read dinosaur books together.
Only if there are no chicken nugget dinosaurs.
No promises. Okay, everyone, before we go,
Tell us in the comments.
do you like libraries?
What books do you enjoy reading?
And do you prefer physical books or ebooks?
We would love to hear from you.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
Keep practicing English every day.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.